Mr. Riddle, you said you were at home watching TV all night, right?
That's right. I didn't leave the house.
So interesting. But this security footage shows your car leaving your driveway at 11:30 p.m. and returning at 1 p.m. Can you explain this?
I must have forgotten. I was probably going for a ride.
A drive at 11:30 p.m. and your car was seen parked near at the crime scene at 11:50 p.m. According to your statement, are you sure you were not there?
I don't know what to say. I was just trying to help my friend.
Help a friend? With what? You mentioned earlier you were home. Can you clarify how you were helping him?
He needed to borrow my tools for a project.
Okay, that's understandable. But why would you drive out so late for that? Did you not think it was strange?
I just thought it would be quick.
Mr. Wheeler, you have to understand that this situation is serious. If you were there, it will be better to tell us now rather than later when we have more evidence. Were you involved in anything that happened?
Fine. I was there. I didn't mean anything bad to happen. I just wanted to help.
Hey there, buddy. What's going on? You saw the whole thing, right? Tell me about it.
Yeah, I saw it. It was nothing big. Just some kids fighting.
Come on, man. You've got to tell me more. What were they fighting about? Did they have any weapons? This could be important.
Well, I guess they were arguing about something stupid. I don't know. I wasn't really paying attention.
I get that. But you must have seen something that caught your eye. Were they just showing each other? Or did it escalate?
They were pushing and shouting a bit, but I thought it was just kids being kids.
Totally understandable. Kids can get rowdy, but you know, sometimes those situations can get serious. Did you hear any specific words they were saying?
I think one of them was saying something about a phone. They were really angry.
A phone? That's important. Were there any other people around? Did anyone else seem concerned or involved?
Yeah, there were a couple of girls nearby, but they just stood and watched. I don't think they did anything.
Thank you for sharing that. Your observation are really valuable. Anything else you remember that might help us?
I think someone pulled out a camera to record it. Maybe that video will show more.
Good morning, Mr. Jones. Thank you for coming in. We appreciate your time. Can you tell me what you saw yesterday at the park?
Well, I just walked in my dog. I saw some people arguing, but I didn't really see anything.
That's okay. Just tell me what you can remember. What kind of arguing was it? Were they yelling? Did you see any weapons?
They were yelling, yes, but I didn't see any weapon. I just got scared and walked away.
I understand. It can be frightening to witness something like that. Can you describe the people you saw arguing? What did they look like?
There were two of them. One was tall in an orange shirt, and the other was shorter wearing a black hoodies.
Good. That's helpful. How were they acting? Were they physically pushing each other? Or was it just shouting?
They were mostly shouting, but I think they got pretty close to each other. I thought they might reach each other.
That sounds intense. And after that, did you see where they went? Did they walk away? Or did something else happen?
After the shouting, they would just walk away in different direction. I didn't want to stick around.
That makes sense. Thank you for sharing that with me. Did you notice anything else? Like any other people around or anything unusual happening at the time?
Now, let me mention it. There was a guy sitting on a bench nearby. He looked like he was watching them.
Great observation. Can you describe him? What did he look like? Did he seem concerned or involved?
He had a beard and wearing glasses. He was just sitting there, but he seems really focused on the argument.
Mr. Brown, you said you saw the suspect running away from the store. Can you tell me more about what you saw?
Yes, he was running past and he had a bag in his hand and he looked panicked. He was wearing a blue jacket, he had a tattoo in his arm. He ran down the alley to the next store. I was really surprised because it all happened too fast.
I see. And then do you notice anything else about him? Any distinct features like hair color or build?
He had dark hair, maybe medium length, and he looked rather thin.
That's very helpful. Did you see anyone else around? Or did he just run off alone?
There was another person walking by but didn't seem to notice any unusual.
Thank you for that detail. The more information we have, the better. Did you happen to get a look at the bag he was carrying? Was it a specific color or style?
Yes, it was a black backpack. I remember thinking it looked kind of heavy.
Miss Stella, you were working in the office that night, right? Did you see anything unusual?
No, I didn't see anything. I was just working at my desk all night.
I understand. It's a tough job working late nights. I have a friend who does the same thing. He always tired, just like you.
Yeah, it's exhausting.
So, you were focused on your work all night. No one came to talk to you or anything?
Actually, there was one guy who came in around 11 p.m. He said he was looking for someone.
Can you describe this guy? What he did look like?
He was tall, with dark hair and a leather jacket. I didn't think much of it at the time.
That's helpful information. Did he seem nervous or anxious while he was there?
Now that you mention it, he did seem a bit on edge, like he was in a hurry.
Did he ask you anything specific or seem to be searching for someone in particular?
He asked if I had seen a woman named Clara. I didn't know who that was.